Hello everyone, my name is Violeta Sinjimanalu with my student ID number is 21030500059 and my title of article is Video and Audio Platforms for Improving Listening Skills in Spanish Students of EFL, a preliminary and descriptive study. The first is introduction. Learning a new language involves the conjunctions of many of the learner's skills. Three categories that evac learning have been reported is biological and physiological factors such as age, personality, and environment. Cognitive factors such as intelligence, language skill, learning styles, and strategies, and affective factors such as attitude and motivations. Thus, it is uh, understood that every human being has particular characteristics, and these characteristics have notable implications in learning a foreign language. On the other hand, students of English as a foreign language or EFL must develop communicative skills. Second is learning listening skills. Um, multi 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 outdoors have defined listening skills in scientific literature. However, current trends indicate that this skill helps to understand that word and is a necessary component of successful communication. Students spend more than 50% of their time listening during their learning process, which suggests for fostering listening skill is crucial in the learning process of an EFL. Furthermore, listening has been defined as the ability to understand native speakers when they speak at a normal speed. It also focuses on auditory discrimination, auditory grammar, selections, and necessary information and recall. Listening is a process of understanding what is heard and organizing it into a lexical item to which meaning can be assigned. The next is use of video and audio for learning English. And that in the introductions, the strategies for teaching and learning have been studied in the last decades. Nonetheless, educators as well as students do not seem to be aware of this fact, and the incorporations of the technologies in the process of teaching and learning is still under continuous development. Teaching and learning English is probably one of the most relevant topics in the field of education as a consequence of the ubiquitous need for preparing students with English abilities around the world. In this frame, diverse strategies have been implemented, and audio per video are commonly used by teachers during their lectures. In the current time, the incorporations of social media within education context have show a relevant impact. For that reason, this research incorporated these kinds of material for helping students to develop intentional listening skill. The next is teaching strategies. Have a seven teaching strategies. The first is student receive new information about the topic and type of text, then create hypothesis about the text. Second is student listen and audio and verify their hypothesis and add new informations. Third is students work in group to discuss and compare their results. Afterwards, they come to a consensus. And the next is listen again, review and check what they understand and what they have not grasped. Next is they discuss again, highlight the most relevant aspect and reflect on what made them understand the audio and identify keywords. The next is they listen, search, and add information to verify what they have understood. And the last is they discuss what helped them understand by suggesting goals, but both individually and as a group. And the next is methods. The present research of the focus on improving listening skills for students of ELF. In this regard, both direct and indirect strategies like table 1 were planned as and used, as can be noticed in the detailed descriptions of the process. Audio interpretations, deduction, and vocabulary strategies are the main activity. It means that direct cognitive and compensatory strategies were used as well as indirect metacognitive and affective activity were carried out. Okay, in this method, have a participant. The participant of this research consists of students who hold military degrees. The students are part of the intermediate English course and have an academic load of 530 hours. Specifically, a non-representative sample selected for conference was made up of students from to be of the intermediate English course, which consisted of 15 students total and 12 males and 3 females. A descriptive qualitative design was carried out. The next is instrument design. One instrument was a design and valid, validated by their expert in linguistic and the didactic of English as a foreign language. Sufficiency, clarity, coherence, and relevance was assessed. Once the instrument was corrected according to the suggestions, it was sent again to the experts for their final approval. Dedicated didactic strategies consisted of 6 learning guides. The highlight and activity to improving listening skill was developed and applied to the participant. Additionally, a diagnostic test was used, which was provided by the American Language Course or ELC instrument. The first is preconceptions instrument, and the second is samples perceptions test and pretest. Okay, as you can see, I have 6 sections in instrument design. The first is students listening to audio from Randall. The second is TED, talk to autonomous language learning strategies what was used. Next is audio related to greetings and personal presentations. Next is the students were show the episode of an American television series, and the next is a faster and more demanding audio, like the song "We Don't Talk Anymore" by Cole Ripat and Selena Gomez was used, and the last is season 6, an episode of the television series like Blind Spot as used language, uh, science and military slangs was selected and Netflix party platform was used. Okay, the next is data analysis. In each activity, students were assessed according to the specifications of the session. The obtained values were statistically treated an average standard deviations and mode were obtained. Okay. The next is finding and discussion. In finding and discussion, have a perceptions test. One factor which language learning skills in the number of hours devoted to study. It is remarkable that in the samples, 12 out of 50 students did not study English for more than a year. Nonetheless, in this word, mentioning that the greater and number of study hours, the better the academic outcome obtained by EFL learners. Thus, it is the strictly that the perceptions that the students have about their listening level coincides with the results by the diagnostic test and indicating that the students are aware for their level reflected ref, reflected in the results shown by both tests. The next is in the finding and discussion have a diagnostic test, and the scientific literature has reported the advantage that video could play in the listening abilities. For instance, video is an alternative instructional tool that facilitates comprehensive or pronunciations like related listening skills. Moreover, video-based utilities are more appropriate than just audio because there are multiplying inputs that the students can perceive. Despite the lack of research using the platform, preliminary reports suggest that Flipgrid might be considered as an effective educational tool since it develops communication skill. The next is lyric training. The pedagogical use of various digital platforms can be considered as a successful strategy of strengthening an activity of listening in the second language. The results obtained in this research have shown a remarkable improvement in the participant in this aspect. The listening skills improves the ability to understand to other when expressed at a normal speed and requires interactions between the sender and receiver. This activity implies a highly elaborated cognitive process which only occurs when there is a complete understanding of the message. So the next is Netflix party. In this research, the use of Netflix party has show positive result as can be seen in the table 6 before. Likewise, the bedroom allow transforming some daily action or activities like song, movie, and etc. into learning strategies. The activities with video like talk series or movie using Flipgrid and Netflix Party were well received by the students, allowing them to obtain a better result in the analysis of the questions posed and in the result of their interpretation. This can be attributed to the fact that the image, expression, and gestures allow them to understand the context of the video and relate what they were listening to what was happening in the video. At the conclusion of the article is it is pertinent to highlight that as a consequence of the deductive strategy in this research, a significant improvement was demonstrated by the students of in the sample as indicated by the result obtained in the entrance and exit test. This can be interpreted to mean that during the research process, listening skills improve, which indicates and students can perform better when they need to use the language in everyday context, which is the main objective of English teaching. Okay, that's all for me, and thank you for attention.